guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Misha. I'm back with another banger. I don't know if I want to call this a tutorial because I have absolutely no idea as to what I'm doing, so I'm gonna say another banger video. All right guys, if you're new here, join the family, click that subscribe button down below. If you are returning, then welcome back. So happy to have you back here, sis. Now let's jump right into this video. All right, so I'll be doing my nails. I've dabbled in hair, I've dabbled in makeup, but I've never tried nails. All right, I saw this nail kit on Amazon. As a matter of fact, I saw someone doing a video on YouTube. I really don't remember her name, and this was the kit that she used, and I said, wow, that looks pretty easy. So let's see if we can try it. All right, and that's when I ordered the set from Amazon. So if you haven't seen my video where I did a review on this kit, then I'll put the link in my description with the video. It's an Amazon beauty haul, so you can just click the link to see that video. I'll also put the link for this nail kit in the description, so go down in the description and have some fun, guys. All right, so what I'm doing right now is I'm taking the nails from the kit and testing them, matching them for the perfect fit for my nails. All right, so they come in different sizes from 0 to 9, and I basically just chose the ones that, like, when I fit it against my nail, it covers my nail completely. That's what I see my nail tech do, and that's what I did. All right, so guys, that's what I did, and I go ahead. The kit, it comes with the nails, it comes with the lamp that dries the nail, and it also comes with a glue. All right, the glue is in the form of like nail polish, so you pull the glue and you just apply to the nail and you put the nail onto your finger. All right, so that's what you see me doing there. The lamp, it's very easy to use. You just tap it and it comes right on, and you keep it on it. Well, the instructions are as per the box says. Keep the nail under the lamp for like 30 seconds, but I waited like a minute because yeah, I want these nails to be hard on my nail. All right, so that's what I'm doing. I apply the glue to the nail, put the nail on my finger, put it under the lamp, and there you go, bingo. Guys, I was so impressed with how well and how neatly the nail looked when I applied the glue, put on the nail, put it under the lamp, and when it came out, there were no bubbles underneath the nail. All right, so I was very impressed with that. One thing though, when I went onto my other hand, because I did my right hand first, I used my right hand to do my left hand first, so it was time to do my right hand. It gave me so much problem fitting my nail underneath the lamp, and you'll see later down it gave me so much problem fitting my nail underneath the lamp, but I had to have my daughter hold the lamp in place for me, and I just put my finger under there. All right, so guys, for yeah, that's how it was looking. All right, so I'm gonna admit that for a few of them I had to like take the nail off, buff it back down, and then start over, because if you don't allow it to dry properly, then it's game over. Like, yeah, you're gonna have to start over. All right, because if you let it get messy, then, as in, if you don't allow it to dry properly and then you take it out and then you try to glue it again, like, it's just not going to glue properly because it won't be a smooth surface. And I feel like I'm talking a little bit too much now, and I think the video is a little bit, it's very self-explanatory, because all I said, it's 3 steps. I just buff my nails, wipe that off when I buff it, put the glue on, put the nail on, put the nail under the lamp, and that's it. There you go. So as I said, it's very self-explanatory. I'm gonna allow you to continue watching and see what I did. So that was me at the end of my first hand, and I move on to the second hand. Oh, let me go ahead and say, I did watch a video on YouTube where someone was saying that she had the kit, but she realized it didn't come with a primer, so she was wondering if she was supposed to use a primer, because basically the primer protects your own nail. All right, and like, I want to protect my own nail, so I went to the store and I got a primer for myself. That's what I was applying to the nail. So I applied the primer to my right hand while doing my right hand. All right, so that was B right there. I didn't do much buffing. I just buff it a little bit just to get the nails sharp. All right, the tip of the nails sharp. So that's it. After I take it from the lamp, I go ahead and I apply my polish. I did white polish because I am a white girl. If you are a white girl, then let me hear it down in the comments. Whatever color you are, just let me hear it down in the comments. I am a white girl. And so I went ahead and did my nails in white. Guys, luckily I did have a lamp. One of those, what they call it again? I don't remember. The lamp that they use to dry a nail, the gel polish nail. I had one, I bought one at the store some time ago. And that's what I had to use today to dry the nail. Alright, I was not thinking about what I'd use to dry it, but luckily I had one. So if you want to go ahead and if you are going to try this, then that's something that you have to think about. Do you have a lamp to dry your nail when you polish it? That's if you're going to be using gel polish. If it's regular polish, then fine, you don't need the lamp. Alright, I did the best I could to clean up the nail with that thing that the nail tech used to clean up, and that was basically it. I do my little designs, and yeah, so keep on watching, guys. Alrighty guys, so this is me applying top coat to the nail. I am gonna be doing some design, as I said. So I'm gonna, for one of the nail, that's the ring finger, I'm gonna be applying some glitters, some silver glitters, and for the other nail, the middle finger, I am gonna be applying those diamonds onto the nail. Alright, so I put top coat and then I put the diamonds onto the nail and I allow it to dry, and it dries perfectly. So if you don't want to use glue, if you don't want to use glue, then you can go ahead and use your top coat and allow it to dry under the lamp, and it will stay in place. All right, I use that utensil that they use to clean up the nail. That's what I use to put the diamond onto the nail. But of course, if you have something else which they use, I'm really not sure what they use, you can go ahead and use that, because that thing that I was using, it was giving me so much trouble. But yeah, that's what I used. That's the design that I did. I wanted nothing too fancy. I just put a few diamonds around my finger bed, I think that's what they call it, my finger quit, yeah, and some nails, some diamonds onto the nail. All right. All right, guys, so this is how the nails turned out. Mwah, 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 mwah. All right, so I would say that this is very good if you're looking for a cheap alternative or a cheaper alternative to getting your nails done. Then you can go ahead and get this. You could find the link in my bio, in my description, as well as the description for the Amazon haul video that I did. The description is in that video as well, where I did a little read up of the thing and read up of the box and the guide and everything that I needed to know about the box at that time. If you need something more extensive than what I did here in this video today, then you can go ahead and check out that video. I know my face probably is looking kind of white, and that's because I just did a review of the Oya anti-wrinkle patches. So never mind the face, just look at the nails. It's the nails that we're focusing on today. All right, sister, I absolutely love these nails. Yeah, everything about them. Let me know how you feel about them down in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl Miss One for more videos like this one. Also, guys, go ahead and share. It does help my channel out. It does help me to get recommended a lot more. I think I should have done a TikTok on this. I'll probably do another one. But pow, pow. These are my nails. All right, thank you so much for watching, guys.